Hi guys, welcome to Hawkeye Projects. We are in Montmorency. I thought I'd just take you to one of my projects here. It's an extension and a renovation, basically a complete restoration of the home. As you can see here, there's an extension that we've come out to the front of the property. New bedroom, ensuite, with a basement underneath it as well. So the client wanted a workshop underneath there, so we put a workshop in there for them. We also offer pre-purchase building inspections as well, and I wanted to take you to this house to give you a little bit of an insight into the value of getting pre-purchase building inspections by qualified builders. All right, there's a lot of inspectors going around at the moment doing pre-purchase building inspections, and basically all you need for to become an inspector is a certificate for in building, and that's basically a certificate for is the beginnings of the study of building. Okay, so here at Hawkeye Projects we are all DBU registered, which is unlimited builders. Okay, I also have a CBL, which is commercial as well. So I'll take you through and I'll just show you a little bit of an example of this client getting a pre-building and pre-purchase inspection before they bought it, and show you exactly what happened. So come on through. Okay, so we're at the back of the home. Basically what we've done in this particular renovation is we've removed all the windows. All of this has been replaced. The gable's been redone. So it's quite an extensive renovation, which the clients were expecting. They'd been advised that this is the process that they'd need to go down. The only thing that they didn't know about was the floor. And if you have a look in here, this floor has been completely redone, which was a cost to the client of around $15,000 on top of the price that they paid for the actual extension and the renovation. When they had the pre-purchase building inspection done, the inspector didn't even get underneath there to have a look. Critical, absolutely critical to be either re-level the floor or re-stump and re-level. It's really, really critical to get underneath the floor, have a good look underneath there, and just check it out. There's a lot of people going around and they just throw a torch under there, or they just go tick, 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 and it's all right. You purchase the home, and there's an extra 15, 20 grand on top of your build costs that you need to spend. Not the process that you want to go down. All right. So this is a little bit of an example of the client unfortunately going through this process. And sometimes, it's better to know what's going to happen here before you actually buy the home. Hope this is a little bit of information. We do pre-purchase building inspections. If you want qualified builders to come and have a look at your project and make sure it's structurally sound, let me know. Give me a call. More than happy to come down. I'll personally do it for you. See you guys.